Hey, you got something you want to watch? Nah, man, I'm cool. I'm actually getting a little tired. Hey, why the fuck you do that? Do what? Every time I yawn, you yawn. Oh, what? You got a problem with me yawning? Nah, nah, nah. It ain't a problem. It's just every time I go, you go, ah. Like, come on, man. Let me yawn by myself, individually. You don't always got to do it right after me. Oh, hold on. You acting like you don't be doing the same thing. Earlier in the kitchen, I'm making a ham sandwich. You in the fridge. I yawn. Next thing I know, you in the fridge yawning. Oh, earlier? Hey, that was a coincidence. I couldn't control that. Oh, okay. So when you do it, it's a coincidence, but when I do it, I'm copying you. I couldn't control that shit just now. I wasn't trying to stretch my jaw. Think about it. Hold on, hold on. Because you couldn't control that, and I couldn't control it. Let me see some. Hey, do it again real quick. Do it again. All right, let me think of something that makes me tired. Coffee, Adderall. Oh shit, yo! Told you. What the fuck? I couldn't control it. Yo, why does this happen? Hey, I don't know. Honestly, I thought I had some kind of superpower. Yo, we could stop mad crime with this. Think about it. A robber. Someone got you at gunpoint. They can't shoot you with their eyes closed. They got the gun, you hit them with the They go, you know? Shit, so we doing the superhero shit? Man, hell no, I ain't trying to fight no crime, man. What would we even call ourselves? Yawn Man? The Yin Yang Twins? The Crayons? Hell no, I ain't fucking with you, man.